Consider this chemistry question. A small quantity of solid ammonium chloride, as NH4Cl, was heated gently in a test tube. The solid gradually disappears to produce two gases. Later, a white cloudy deposit was observed on the cooler part of the test tube. The ammonium chloride is said to have undergone A. Distillation, B. Sublimation, C. Precipitation, D. Evaporation, E. Deposition. Very good. The correct answer to this question is sublimation. So first of all, an ammonium chloride is one of those substances that can change directly from solid to gas without passing through the liquid state. And you know that such process is known as sublimation. That is, sublimation is a process whereby a solid changes directly to gas without passing through the liquid state. So in this situation, all this English that is spoke here now, all the explanation that you are seeing here is all about sublimation. Because if you have the test tube, say this is the test tube, and then here we have the ammonium chloride over here. Let's say this is the source of heat. When you add heat to it, so they said the solid disappears. That is, it disappears into gas to form white deposit, to form another deposit here, cloudy deposit here. So that is, this process is that what happens here is that it first of all turns to gas. That is, it disappears. So and you know that gas is something that that can vanish, that you may not even be able to see. That's why they say it disappears and later deposits again. So because this process, sublimation, is a process whereby solid changes to gas. So when it now forms a deposit, that process is called deposition. Deposition is a process whereby gas turns back to liquid. So the solid that first turns to gas and later turns back to solid again. So that's deposition without passing through the liquid state. So ammonium chloride is a good example of substances that can do that. Other example of substance that can do that is camphor. Camphor is another substance that can do that. We have dry ice. Dry ice is known as solid CO2. That's carbon dioxide, solid carbon dioxide. So another one is sulfur. Sulfur can also undergo that. Another one is iodine crystal. So when iodine crystal is heated, it will disappear to form iodine vapor. And later the iodine vapor will turn back to iodine crystal. So the correct answer is sublimation. Thank you.